Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So this video is related to Angular tutorials part 1. Here we are going to see what is meant by interpolation. So interpolation is one of the way of doing data binding in Angular. We can call it as a one-way binding. So generally it is used to bind data coming from the TS file to the HTML file. If you take an example, if we have a data which is coming from the API, so if you want to dynamically bind that data in the HTML, then we will use interpolation. So you can see here, this is the symbol for interpolation, two curly braces, and in the curly braces we will write the variable name which we have declared in the TS file. So let's see a practical example on interpolation. So here I have created a project named temp login. So here in that I am going to write my code in app component.html and app component.ts. So in the HTML I am going to take h1 tag for displaying any static text. So I'm displaying some static text, and if you go to browser you can see here. Now I will make this static dash as dynamic by using interpolation. We will go to TS file and we will declare a variable named text equal to some text. Now we will use this text in the HTML by using interpolation symbol. As you have seen in the slide. Now we will go to browser and refresh this. So you can see here we are getting this text dynamically, and this is the static text. So interpolation is nothing but if you want to bind the data from the TS file to the HTML file, then we will use interpolation. So we will see another example by taking array equal to so I'm taking an array. I'm going to use this array in the HTML. And we will use ngFor to bind the data. Let element of array. So to bind the data coming from the array, I am using interpolation here. Now you can see here by using the interpolation, I am binding the dynamic data coming from the TS file to the HTML. So if you want to do any calculation, then you can do here. You can see here we can do the calculations here and everything. So this is the end of this tutorial, and we will do the similar videos for all the concepts in Angular, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.